Rossetti. I'm a senior manufacturing engineer here at AccuRounds. This is some of the software that we use to program the parts that customers give us. They'll send us in a print, and we'll take this print and turn it into a drawing in our CAD software. And historically, we pick out different features and dimensions, knowing what size tool we're going to use, and program the job accordingly, and make code like this that's going to go out to the machine so they can make the part. The new software that we have is called Esprit. It's the same idea. We import a solid, or we create the geometry in the software, and from that we can create a solid part, which is going to give us a solid model, and you can rotate that any way you want to see features however you want. And from this, we're going to generate operations. I'll shut the solid off again. This is going to tell us what order we're going to do them in and how we're going to do them based on the tooling that we have in the turrets. We'll pick that and put it in accordingly. And then the advantage to this software is once everything's said and done, I can come in here like this, and I can run a simulation of the program and see what's actually happening and if there's any interference. I can look inside to see what's inside the piece and see that I actually have an interference here. And I'll have to look and see what's going on with the code, take that out so that they don't crash the machine. But other than that, it will make a complete part. And that saves some time for us.